So kind of the yield mechanics here and how does this work? So again, these companies want to keep these at about $100 per share. So we have this line here. So how do they actually do that? So to get it at $100 per share, these both IPO'd under $100. They would increase their dividend over time. So I think Stretch came out at 9% originally at par, and now it's 11% at par. So as they pay a larger dividend, they get more demand. And when the share price is less than $100, that demand starts to push it up. So then what happens in the inverse? What happens when there's more demand and the price starts to go over $100? Well, that's where these companies have an ATM function called at the market where they can sell shares. So they'll sell shares into the market to keep the price at $100. So if it goes above 100, they're selling. If it goes below $100, they're increasing the dividend. There's a few other bells and whistles to this as well, but that's kind of the main things. But the point is they want to keep this flat at $100 per share and just pay out a large dividend over time. And then whenever they sell shares here, when it's above $100, they buy Bitcoin with it, which is why it's been so interesting over the last week or two that Stretch has been over 100 or at $100 per share because Strategy has been selling, and SEDA is now up to $100 per share. So like I was just saying, we can look at this over time here. So this is the Stretch price since July 30th of last year. And then if we look over here, we're basically right around here at the new year, pretty much all of 2026. The price jumps up here to $100, then it's basically just flat. That's the orange line. And then for this gray and green bars below, this is the volume that's trading in the market. So when we see it at around $100 per share and there's big volume, we can assume that there's demand coming in and then Strategy is selling into the market to keep the price around $100. And then they take that money and buy Bitcoin with it, which is that big $110 million buy we just talked about. And also shout out to Stretch.live. They have really great charts. Go check them out. That's where I screenshotted this from.